Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mr. Cognetti from Citizenship Academy, and I'm excited to do another math lesson with you guys today. We are going to continue with place value and working a little bit with our place value chart, but first I want to do a super quick warm-up. Yesterday we worked on hiding that zero when we were adding a single digit number, meaning a number less than 10, onto 10. So I'm going to give you a number sentence. I want you to practice hiding that zero. So we have 10 plus 2. I'll do this first one for us, okay? What we're gonna do is I want you to basically erase the 0 and move the 2 over. So then, but I don't actually want to do that. We're gonna replace it, 1, and then instead of the 0, we have 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12, okay? I'm gonna do another one really quick, and then I'll let you guys do an example. 10 plus 1. All right, I have 10 plus 1. I'm gonna come here. I wanna move this one over here. So I still have this one. I don't have that 0, I'm replacing it with a 1. 10 plus 1 equals 11, okay? That's what I want you guys to do. Here comes yours. 10 plus 3, okay? Hide that 0. Okay, if we move this 3 over, and rewrite it, we're gonna keep the 1. And now we're not using this 0, we're gonna put the 3 there. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Let's do one more. 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5? All right, let's talk about it. I wanna move this 5 into that 0's place, so I'm gonna keep the 1. And that 0 now becomes the 5. 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. How'd we do with that? All right, there's our warm-up. We got our brains thinking in the math mode. Now yesterday, we took a number, we moved it into our place value chart, then we drew our picture. This time, we're gonna do a little backwards. We're going to be looking at a number we're gonna be looking at a picture, and then we're going to be able to, by the end of the lesson, tell someone whether what the number is in its tens and ones or just all in ones. And I'll show you what I mean. All right? Here's my first example. I'm going to draw a picture. So you'll be given a picture like this, and all you have to do is go right up into the tens place. How many 10 sticks are there? 1, 2. Remember, we're drawing them with our big 10 sticks this time. So we have 2 10s. And then over here, how many 1s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many do I have here total? I have 24, supposedly. Let's double check though. I'm gonna count by 10s here and then switch over to 1s for these, all right? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Did we get 24? Yes, we did. So 24 has 2 10s and 4 1s. Or we could just say 24 1s, because I could draw out 24 little circles all over the place, and that'd be 24 1s, the same as this. Our 10 sticks are just the ones organized neatly into a stick. Okay? Let's do another one. All right, so we're gonna start by taking this picture and writing how many 10s and 1s there are, all right? So let's start with our 10s. Let's count how many 10s we have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I come right up here, I write 3. Simple as that. I see 3 10s, I write 3 in my 10s place. Remember, if you don't have one of these drawn down, write it down, draw. Or if you wanted to do a quicker one, remember the T with the T for 10s, 0 for 1s. So I could say 3, and we haven't done our 1s yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So I have 8 1s, So if I have 3 10s and 8 1s, if I have 3 groups of 10 cookies and then 8 extra cookies, how many cookies do I have all together? 38. The number sentence we could write with this would be splitting into its tens. If there's 3 10s, well, 10, 20, 30. Plus however many ones there are, which we said there's 8, 5, and 3, so there's 8. And when this is where we basically did the opposite of our hide 0, we brought that 0 back. Just like in last lesson, if we were to start here, we'd hide that 0, move the 8 over to have 38. All right? Cool. Let's do another one. I will show you guys the picture. And I want you to see if you can think before I come to the answer. See if you can beat me on how many 10s and how many 1s there are, okay? All right, I want you thinking about what is the number that I should be writing in my tens place. Count the tens. I'll give you 5 seconds. 0. All right, let's talk about it. How many tens do we have? 1, 2. We have 2. Did you get 2? I hope so. So we have 2 tens. Now, how many 1s do I have? Go ahead and count those 1s. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1s. If I have 2 10s and 5 1s, how many do I have all together? What's my number? Just look at it right there. 25. 25. And let's double check by counting by 10s and then by 1s. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Awesome. There we go. We're doing well. I want to go through a bunch of these examples. The more practice we get, the better we'll be at it. All right? Let's keep going. Next picture I'm going to draw is right here. All right, there's my picture. I have my 10 sticks over here and my 1s. Go ahead and try and fill in your place value chart. Take about 10 seconds to fill in the whole thing, the 10s and the 1s. Three more seconds. 2 more seconds. 0. All right, here we go. How many 10s do I have? What do you think? Shout it out. Let's count. See if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 10s. Now let's count our 1s. 1, 2, 3. Did you get 4 10s and 3 1s? I hope so. If not, go back, see if you miscounted. All right, try counting again. Now, if we have 4 10s and 3 1s, I'm going to take these numbers right out, put them right here. I have 43. My answer is 43. 4 10s, 3 1s. All right, let's try another one. Try another one. Here we go, ready? That's it. That's my picture. See if I can stump you on this one. I don't think I will, though. I think you guys will get this. Go ahead and fill in the place value chart with how many 10s you think there are and how many 1s you think there are. Okay. Well, let's go over it. How many 1s do we have? Or sorry, how many 10s do we have? 1. I have 110. I'm going to draw my 1 like that so that we know it's not a 10 stick. So we have 110. How many ones do I have now? Do I have any ones? I don't see any. So I do leave this blank? Do I just leave it blank and my answer is 1? Because that's 110, not just 1. So I have 0 ones. I need to write a 0 in there. I have 0 ones. Don't have any. So let's look at this number. What does this number look like? I have 110 and 0 ones. We all know that number. It is the number 10. So the number 10 is 110 with 0 ones. Okay? Now this is where we can kind of combine our place value chart with our hide 0. When we have 110 and then say 2 ones, it's basically saying, oh, there were 0 ones. Now I'm going to add 2 ones to it. 0 plus 2 is 2. So hiding that 0, I erased it. I'm going to cover it with a 2. And there's our number 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. All righty. Cool. Great job with that. You guys will get more practice with the exact same thing we just did in your homework for today. I'm pointing at my computer because I'm looking at the screen right now. But so you guys will be looking at pictures of flowers or grapes or beads, different things that you'll have to identify the group of 10 and then identify how many groups of 10 there are and then how many ones there are. And you will have to then say how many altogether that is. So 110, 2 ones makes 12. All right. Great job today, guys. I had fun. You guys are doing a great job. Keep up the good work and good luck with your Seesaw assignment or your Google form. Good job, guys. See you guys next time.